Hello, beautiful listeners, and welcome back to Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. Today, we've got a heartfelt letter from one of you. I have been diligently saving for a dream trip, sunset beaches, ancient temples, maybe a salsa lesson in Cartagena. But then, life threw me a curveball. A sudden illness and unexpected medical bills wiped out every last penny I set aside. Now I feel crushed, stuck, and worse, like my plans have vanished into thin air. How do I cope with this financial blow and still hold on to hope? First off, let me lean in and say, I see you. That disappointment you're feeling, it's real, it's valid, and it's heavy. Research in positive psychology shows that when we lose something we've worked hard to build, whether it's money, we experience grief much like with any other loss. And yet, many of us feel we have to bottle it up, march on, and pretend everything's fine. Spoiler alert, pretending doesn't make the feelings go away. So let's give ourselves permission to name them, simulating them, frustration, sadness, even anger at the universe. Valid. Now, here's something you might not hear every day. You actually did something amazing by saving in the first place. That's self-discipline, foresight, the stuff of champions. Then life intervened. That doesn't cancel out your accomplishments. It redecorates them with a few battle scars. Think of those scars as proof that you faced real challenges and survived. In cognitive behavioral therapy, we learn that reframing such experiences can transform our outlook from I failed to I faced the unexpected and I'm still standing. Let's talk practical next steps. Because no judgment here, just tools. First, rebuild your sense of safety. Daniel Kahneman's work on loss aversion tells us that people feel the pain of a dollar loss much more intensely than the pleasure of a dollar gain. The antidote: small, consistent wins. Can you start with something as tiny as putting aside $5 or $10 each week into a new travel fund? Watching that jar slowly fill gives your brain a hit of optimism and shows you progress is possible. Second, automate what you can. Set up a dedicated savings account with an auto transfer the day after payday. This way, you'll never have to wrestle with your own should I save or should I spend. In a debate, your future self would thank you, and frankly, honestly, you'll be kind for looking out. Third, diversify your bucket. Emergencies happen. Life loves a good curveball. Psychology research highlights the power of mental accounting, creating separate categories in your mind and your bank for everyday expenses, rock stories, and emergencies. That way, when the next surprise medical bill or a plumbing meltdown shows up, you tap into the just-in-case fund without raiding your dream trip money. Now, let's sprinkle in a little humor, because if we can't laugh at our own financial misadventures, who can we laugh at? Remember that time I tried to pay my rent with reward points? Spoiler, the landlord didn't accept them. But hey, he did laugh. The point is, a dash of levity keeps us human. You might not be hopping on a plane to Bali next month, but maybe you can explore your own city's hidden gems free museum days. Community festivals, or a park you've never walked. Sometimes the best adventures are right in your backyard. And research in environmental psychology shows that even small doses of new experiences close to home can boost creativity and well-being. But let's get real for a moment. Saving is one thing. Making ends meet is another. If medical bills still loom large, don't be shy about seeking help. Medical debt counseling services can negotiate lower payments or link you with assistance programs. Financial stress is a recognized public health issue. There are professionals out there trained to guide you through the paperwork jungle. Emotionally, practice self-compassion. Kristen Neff's groundbreaking studies remind us that treating ourselves with the kindness we show a friend in distress can significantly reduce anxiety and depression. If your inner critic pipes up, you should have been more careful. Imagine a dear friend saying that. You would scold them, you offer comfort. Turn that compassion inward. And finally, hold on to that tree. Maybe it takes a year longer. Maybe you choose a slightly different destination or time of year when flights are cheaper. That doesn't make your dream any less yours. In fact, when you finally get there, you appreciate it on a whole new level because you know the journey it took to make it happen. So, to our brave listener, your money was repurposed in service of your health and well-being. There's not a detour, it's part of the adventure. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience. Sketch out a small, steady plan. Embrace each mini victory. And above all, be kind to yourself. One day, you will look back and realize that decal led you to a resilience you didn't know you had. An inner resource far richer than any travel fund. That's all for today on Anthony Knows. Remember, no judgment, your story matters. And I believe in you. Keep dreaming, keep saving, and keep laughing. Until next time, stay curious and stay you.